What a beautiful Sunday morning. I'm coming back to you to let you know that those red dish pans that are 12 quart that I posted last week when I was doing the juju beads, I was freezing them. I told you there was a terrific sale. Well, they put it back. In other words, they go through their inventory, Walmart, who's ever selling them, and they see they still have more left, and they booted them back on. I'm going to let you know, I got another case. It's a case of 8. They're beautiful red dish pans. You can use them for whatever you want. I actually grow in them, all different types of vegetables in there. They're great. All you have to do is make some holes. You know how I use my soldering iron. You can drill it, do whatever you want. But the point is, you get 8 of them for less than $10. That's cheaper than going to Dollar Tree to buy their small white one that's now $1.50, or buying the Sterilite 8-quart white one that's $2. They look pretty, they're attractive. I usually use the black ones. They're about $5 a piece. They are bigger, they're 18 quarts, and you know I grow everything in them. I've never had one break. The red ones are not as heavy as the black ones, but for that price, however long they last, it'd make a really beautiful strawberry field. Or you could grow whatever you want. Think of having lettuce or different greens growing, so you can go out there and chop down some of your greens to make a lettuce or for a sandwich or whatever you want to add in. It's a nice looking container, as well as I think they're fairly sturdy, but not as sturdy as the black one. Now, if you were going to do this in the house, and let's say during the winter you want to start some plants or grow some in the window, let's say you're going to do parsley or lettuce or whatever, you could make holes in one container, drop that container, you've seen me do it with food containers, into the second one, which will be your base, with no holes. And when you water your plants in the house, you're going to have no drippy water mess anywhere, because it will go into the bottom container. So you'll need 2 to grow in the house with to keep things clean. Otherwise, outside, you just make the holes in the one container and sit it on a balcony, a chair, a table, on the ground if you don't have any critters that will get into it. So I'm just coming to you today to let you know that the sale is back on. Do not buy the one that's single, because they do sell the single red Sterilite 12 quart for $10 each. This is a set of 8 for less than $10, $9 and change. If interested, jump on it. If not, go on with your day as I am doing, sitting in the garden enjoying the birds. So the link with the picture will be right under the video. You'll probably have to go look at it on a computer or a tablet or your phone. It won't work if you're watching this from a TV screen. It's completely a different setup. So jump on your phone, tap it, and go look at it. I'm not selling it. It's Walmart selling it. I'm just tagging it. And like I said, I've already bought myself quite a few. I actually already gave one as a gift yesterday when I went to see my father, and my brother loved it. I packed him up a lot of greens from the garden, and he said, "Boy, this container is gorgeous. Where'd you get that?" And I said, "It's a gift. You can have it." Great for gifts, great to plant up a little garden, or stuff it full of, well, I was going to say candy or clothes or whatever you want. Put a bow on top, and not only will they get the gift inside the dish pan, beautiful red for Christmas, they will have the container to use for whatever matter, which or way they want to use it. So this is my announcement today. Once they're sold out, I will go ahead and pull this video down, because a lot of you come to me and you're angry it's sold out. I have nothing to do with it. But every time I see them boot it back, once they're gone, they will be gone, I will go ahead and repost this video. I'm not going to let it ride if they run out, because it will just bring in a lot of people that are unhappy that they missed out on one of the biggest super deals of the year. That is an amazing price. Like I said, they were selling them for $9 and $10 a piece. That color must be more expensive as a mold to make, because their white ones and black ones are about $4 or $5 each in that size. But the point is, you're buying a case of 8 for $9 and change. That's about $1.14 a piece, less than Dollar Tree, which is an amazing price. You can even use them for storing things and stack them in between. Of course, if they're full, they're going to be sitting on top of each other. I don't mind having a bunch of them, because if you're going to sit them in the corner somewhere, it doesn't matter to me if it's 1 or 100 sitting there. They stack all together. The only time they're going to be spread out is when you're using them. And I just think they're going to be super cool to grow something in, or who knows, maybe just to wash things in there, wash my flower pots, store bird feeders in there, store hummingbird feeders. I don't store hummingbird feeders. I keep putting more and more out. But you got the idea. You can do a lot with it. Maybe you can even turn it upside down and use it as a little table somewhere. But whatever, if interested, go to Walmart. Now, I think you may have to spend $35 to get free shipping, but I am a member on Walmart, the Walmart groceries, so I get everything shipped for free. So if you're a member, it's going to work out fantastic. But the best thing to do is check it out, see what it says on your end, and go for it. So with that, have a wonderful day. I've been enjoying the garden this morning with a cup of coffee and starting my day with all those birds coming in. It has been such a joy. And you could use that for planting flowers and stuff in, and place it on a patio or a deck too, and create your own little garden with these dish pans, because plants and water and a little bit of food will bring in the birds. So should I keep bringing the deals on for you guys? I mean, that's up to you. Let me know, because I'm a bargain hunter at heart. So what else can I say? That's about it. So with that, have a wonderful day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye. If you're wondering what's going on, we lost power today, but they said they'll have it on later on, so the birds at least have the solar-powered fountains going. So they're not completely out of water that's not running. We only have 2 that are electric, but the other ones are running by the sun. Even though it's been so overcast, a lot of them are still going. And that is what's going on here.